Hey, this racking looks right. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. Are you alright? Yes, he rolls. That's pretty cool. What goes up there? Something. You know what? I think I might bring them. That's what we'll do. We'll bring these 3. Probably not that one. More racking. Intralot. What is intralot? This is Ali. Oh, look at the old school club lock. Oh, what a classic. Ooh. Alright, I'll set it up, man. Chuck it on. Okay, Cuzzy. There's a mower down the bottom there. Oh, look at the bin. Damn, Cuz. Caught on fire, bin fire. All these are popped, man. Popped. Already done. Popped. But over here, oh yeah, Victor. Victor. It's not a mad one. Come here. Bro, these are flimsy as. I saw one recently. It's the same thing. Bent. Oh wow. These cords are still here. Maybe just here. Oh, no handle. Oh, okay. Could be worse. Let's go. Wait.